What's going on, everybody? I'm here today with the Skar EVL 12 single enclosure package. It's got the RP 1500.1D amp. Got it in a 2018 Chrysler 300. Pretty solid body. Came with the Beats car audio. It wasn't bad, but just wasn't enough bass. So give you guys a quick demo on how it sounds, and if you're interested in getting it, show you where you can go and get it. It's good stuff.
Everything be like off the top these days. Like these days, I don't even know what hair is these days. You know? Yeah. Fuck that hoe, cause she a nut, that ain't the one for me.
Close this up for now.
Maybe I'm not your lead, bitch. You ain't got no cheese, bitch. Maybe I'm just too G for you. Maybe I'm just too street, bitch. I can even roll in peace. Everybody knows me. I can even go to sleep. I'm rolling on the beat. They tried to kill me, ain't got on my knee like Jesus, please. You don't even believe in Jesus. Why you got a Jesus piece? If you wanna leave, just leave. But you ain't gotta lie to me. Even the blind to see, but she ain't gonna ride for me. You ain't even showing me the love you say you got for me. Ain't no loyalty, you doubted me. You say that you gon' ride for me. Baby, that's bad for me. Yeah, baby, you're bad for me. Yeah, say you gon' clap for me. Yeah, say you gon' clap for me. Yeah, why you ain't show me none of the love you say you have for me? Yeah, want to try to bitch, I mean,
Trunk still rattles. I mean, that's pretty much how it's sounding. Get it tuned up right and all that. I'm still working on it, but it ain't bad. Thanks for checking it out, guys.